Are you a Nadex trader or wannabe? I've developed many trading systems for Nadex over the years, and many of them I've traded for many years. This is the first system that I've developed in a couple of years, and honestly it has the potential to be one of the most profitable ones that I own. It's called the Euro-Pound Lunchtime System. It trades only Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Trades only at 12 noon Eastern Time. I have live webinars for the rest of 2017 where I walk you through the trade. This trade is very simple. You can learn it in just a few minutes. The trade lasts for an hour and it's only tradable at Nadex. You can place the trade and walk away. There's no need to monitor the trade at all. Now this is a super simple trading system where you get a potential of 12 to 14 trades in a month. And assuming a $57 per trade risk, you'll be filled on average 4 to 5 times a month. The win rate for 2017 is 76% on filled trades. So a little over 8 months for 2017 on a $57 entry for each trade has a net profit after commissions of $814 per contract. On an $800 starting balance, that's a 100% return on investment in 8 months. This is a system you can access for years to come, so you can trade it this year, next year, or 5 years from now, assuming that the system continues to perform well. We actually found this system a couple of years ago. However, we decided to test it via trading it rather than rely just on historical data. April 25th, 2016, we started trading via the rules for this system. So just over 8 months of data for 2016. During that time, we had 34 wins, 15 losses, or a 69% win rate. Again, these are based on filled trades at $57. So a net $41 after commissions for each win, and when you lose, you lost $58 after commissions on a loss. So all told, it's a net profit of $524 for those 8 months. With an $800 account per contract, that's a 66% return for 8 months. Again, trading only Monday through Wednesday, only at noon Eastern Time, and that's the only time you trade. If you got filled on 65 trades in a year at $57 per trade and won 69% of the trades, you net profit $685 per contract, or 86% return for the year. Let me show you some interesting math on those numbers. Now, of course, past performance is no indication of future performance. This system could fall flat on its face tomorrow and not win again. However, based on historical data, it's done quite well. But anyways, this is the site for Dave Ramsey Investment Calculator. You can Google it. It's an interesting site to play around with. You can put in whatever your current age is or just random numbers. For here, I'll put in 50 and 54. Say you had $10,000 that you wanted to invest and contribute $0 per month, and then 80% return on investment, and then you can hit calculate for it. It will spit out a number here for you, and if I can move this screen over here, it gives you $104 in those 4 years. Again, you started with 10 grand and you had 80% each of those years. You have a bit over $100,000. Now, if you continue to do 80% a year, that's $80,000 a year you could take out of the market. Again, trading strictly only Monday through Wednesday, 12 noon Eastern Time at Nadex with those kind of results. Obviously, results will vary, and it's not going to be 80% every single year. We've done quite well this year. Last year it did well also, but it didn't hit 80%. So you can play around with those numbers. It's a fun calculator to play with. So when we originally found this system, again, it was based on the historical data. And the way we trade it since 2010, we're able to extract that data. And so almost 8 years of historical data is showing a 74% win rate for the way we trade this system. Now that is not based on Nadex trading. That is strictly based on the system itself. So actually, based on the way the system is laid out, not again based on actual fills, it's been quite consistent. 2010, 74% win rate. 2011, 81% win rate. 2012, 71% win rate. 2013, 76% win rate. 2014 had a 73% win rate. 2015, 74. 2016, 73. 2017, as of now, has 69% win rate. And again, actual filled trades have won 76%. We know that because we've been live trading it in 2017. So year over year, it's been quite consistent in the low 70s as far as historical win rate. Not many outliers. The 81, which is much higher than the average, but no real down years like 60% or anything like that. So it's performed quite consistently, which is always good to see in a trading system. Here's what it can do for you. It can free up your time. It's a profitable historical win rate system, so you don't have to continue to look for new edges in the market. This has performed well year over year, and it's something that once you learn, you can trade it for years to come, assuming this system continues to perform well. It's about as close to passive trading as you can get. Again, Monday through Wednesday, 12 noon Eastern time, so you know exactly when you need to be available. It's the same time every single time, and you can place the trade and walk away. So if you have a job, you can keep it, take a lunch break at 12 o'clock or take a coffee break, place the trade really quickly, and you can walk away. Or if you're retired and want to take 5 minutes every Monday through Wednesday, 15 minutes a week, you can do that as well. Imagine trading one specific time every Monday through Wednesday. Even if you have a job, you could take a lunch break, step away for a couple minutes, place a trade, and get back to work, freeing up your time for other things. And that is, again, only trading Monday through Wednesday, 12 noon Eastern time. And it's performed just really well. Now, past performance does not indicate future performance, of course, and this is historically a great win rate system. So for this week only, I am doing a special guarantee. I usually don't do these for my particular systems just because they're so simple and so profitable that you can learn them and then just be done. So what I'm doing, if you purchase this particular system this week for the Euro Pound system, I will guarantee that if it does not have winning results, October, November combined, 2017, I will give you a full refund of your purchase price. So again, based on a $57 fill, so I'll be trading it again every Monday through Wednesday. You'll see me trade it live for $57. If it fills, it's considered a trade, and if it wins, great. If it loses, it'll be considered a loser. So October and November, those 2 months combined, if it's not profitable for those 2 months, I'll give you a full refund of your purchase price. To purchase this system, it's $349 one time. Even though I'm doing webinars for the rest of the year and may continue to do some in 2018, you do not have to pay any monthly or yearly fees. This is $349 one time for that. And again, I just mentioned the guarantee. Now, I don't have a money-back guarantee for any particular other reason, so your dog gets sick and you need money for the vet bill. I won't give a refund for that, but if it's not profitable in those 2 months, October and November, I will gladly give you a refund for the product. Here's what to do next. Click the Add to Cart button below. After your purchase, you'll be emailed a link where you can able to register for the webinars that I hold every Monday through Wednesday. You'll also get access to the video that explains the system in detail, and you'll get my private Skype ID so you can chat with me throughout the trading day. Please be patient on the email link. We do it that way for specific reasons. So you will get the email link for sure before the next trade, but if you purchase on the weekend, please be patient on receiving that link. But hopefully this was helpful. This is a system I'm quite excited about, and is one of the first systems I've developed in a long time, and I think it'll be very profitable in the future, but we shall see. And if you would like to go along for the ride, please join us. And again, you have that guarantee for October, November. If it is not profitable, I will give you the $349 refund. So click the Add to Cart button below, and let's get started. Take care.